Step 1, find an old crappy piece of plywood, preferably 3/4. Next step, find some awesome looking wood. Next step, figure out your orientation. This way I'm gonna go diagonal. All right, you got it all laid out. Nail it on. Find the right size nails. I'm using 1 inch because my material is about 5/16 and the plywood's 3/4. Simply line up your cut. Make sure you have the plywood underneath it as well. Now that you got square on 2 sides here, you want to measure your width in a few places and then take the track saw and cut a straight line. Now that you're square on 3 sides, you just want to measure from here in a few points, going that direction to figure out how long you want this piece to be. Now that we got our final size, we got to trim out the outside. What I like to do is I like to add another 3/4 piece to this that's maybe 2 inches wide. That way it'll give the appearance of a really chunky piece. I went ahead and ripped a few more pieces of plywood to trim out the sides. The original plan was to use 2-inch thick material here to build up the sides, but I forgot I want to put hairpin legs in the corners, so I don't. All right, now you can see that we built it up a little bit, so it's a little bit wider trim piece needed. So I got about 1 3/4 inches. So I'll go rip on the table saw some 1 3/4 inches, maybe a little bit fatter than that, pieces of Ambrosia Maple. Trim pieces are cut to 1 3/4 inches fat. And so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna nail them on flush with the top. And I glue these trim pieces on just for safekeeping, because if somebody wants to pick it up or move it. All right, we're done for now. Got it trimmed out about 2 inches thick. We're gonna sand it and be done for the day.